then here is the landing page where we land initially. This is amazing copy, complete creative tools, everything you need from project management to pitch decks, financial tools to client communication. Tracktide brings your entire creative workflow into one powerful dashboard. So this is the complete landing page. Here you have project management, you have financial tools, you have a pitch deck builder, and you have a client dashboard. So let's start free trial. So we land to this amazing dashboard. Initially, this dashboard seems too complex. Don't worry, we have got you covered. So here, for initially, we have this sleek sidebar with this new design style. So we have all these things over here. So whenever you click a tab, you have for each tab we have a button to this tab. Clicking it a nice highlighted tour view for you. It actually guides you through the complete overview of that particular tab. So here we have the overview where you can see all the data. Then you have your quick action buttons, which you click, you can input data and saying updated any notifications. So we have that and finish it. Here we have a project timeline visual view, which is this timeline, visual timeline. It looks amazing to actually see. So this is it. Now we come to our next tab, which is the most important tab, project pipeline. Here, this is the most important feature of this complete project. A client hires me as a freelancer, for example, and now I'm scared. Will he ghost me? He's scared. Will he ghost me? Payments, projects, delivery, a lot of doubts. I've got you covered in this also. So as a freelancer, so I have this website redesign code. I have finished it. I will mark it as complete. So here I have marked it as complete. Yet client hasn't confirmed the payment. So at the moment the payment has been sent. It's in between. It's not with me nor with him. And when I have clicked project is completed, means my project has been submitted. But it's all in between the pipeline. Now here it's the client. He confirms the payment. So here both have confirmed, money has been securely. Now I have got the money and project has been delivered to the client. Then we come to the third dashboard, which is project. Here what all projects we are working on. We can view it and also edit it. And then we come to this client. We have three clients, and each client we can message with this AI agent or an assistant type model. So for example, I will update the timeline. So here we get to this. We have three projects, so it shows me three projects. So I will write extend e-commerce deadline. So here we have this prototype version of this. Then we have payments where you can see all the payments. This is just payment views. Now we come to the main part of tooling. We have financial tools. We have an invoice builder. The best thing is I have a design canvas also where you can drag and drop and design your own invoice in your own style and you can export it. Export does not work, it's a prototype version. We have this revenue report. I have a canvas for this also where, for example, I need a pie chart. I'll take this pie chart, I'll put it over here. So that's it. This is the tooling. And then we have a payment reminders tool. So for example, it's actually sent, so it will not change the status. So here it changes the status and marks paid turns into paid. Then we have a feature checklist where we can actually look at what all features this dashboard has and to verify that okay, it's ready for production. We have accessibility guide, complete guide for accessibility. So no doubt in that also, we have everything covered. And one more last tooling which I forgot to mention, which is the pitch deck canvas. So you can build your pitch decks over here. So the client and the freelancer both can view. The freelancer here you can change your font, your info, your information. At the moment it's just a prototype version. Here you have your templates. Here you can add shapes, and you can actually drag and drop. You can AI generate, and you have templates over here. So yeah, that's all for the dashboard.